Welcome to Wild Zoom, where humans and animals meet in the most unbelievable ways. Today, you'll see real-life encounters that will amaze you, moments full of emotion, laughter, and pure surprise. Let's dive right in and explore these unforgettable connections between people and the wild. These moments show us that animals truly understand more than we think. Just look at that reaction animal, it's incredible. Sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's touching, but it's always real. Every scene reminds us how powerful the bond between humans and animals can be. You never know what's going to happen next, that's the beauty of it. Wow, those were some truly amazing moments. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to Wild Zoom, and share it with your friends who love animals. Stay tuned. More unbelievable moments are coming soon only on Wild Zoom.